You like the wood shop? Welcome to my channel. My name is Dan and I run Klein's Crafted Woodworking here in Kentucky. I'll be taking you along with me on all of the projects that I work on here in the shop. Today we're making some wooden arrows that are part of a children's bone arrow set that we make. We will also go over to our storage unit where we do all our packaging for orders that are ready to ship out. You'll be able to see the process that I use to fit these drawer fronts in a Lego shelf that I'm building with my son. And then at the end, I'll give you a sneak peek of what the next video will have in it. So be sure to stick around to the end. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I just wanted to cut in here and kind of describe what we've done here. Went ahead and finished up some arrows that are for a children's bow and arrow set that we sell. They just have a wool ball on the end to keep from the kids getting hurt. And I got all them finished up. and I started working on this Lego shelf that me and my son have been building. You know, sometimes with children, you got to work on things out of order. I should have had the slides on by now, but I couldn't do that while they were out here. Slides, not slides, rails here. But I did get one of the fronts attached. It's kind of hard to get the alignment down. So I had to drill a hole in the front and then double-sided tape on it. And then use a center punch to mark it on the actual front. So, but before dinner time, I need to run it over to the storage unit and package up some orders. So let's go get that done. This is our storage unit. This is what we use for packaging our orders. We actually have a young lady that helps package most of the time. These bows have a lot of small parts, so I'm just going to go ahead and take care of them. The family didn't come along today. A lot of times when I'm doing packaging here, they actually come along with me. And we have a good time in here, but today it's just me, so let's get it done.